Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use column alignment in Elementor. This is essential for creating professional-looking layouts and ensuring your content displays exactly how you want it across your website. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to access your WordPress website dashboard. Simply log in using your admin credentials to get started. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Pages section in your left sidebar and click on All Pages. This will display a complete list of all the pages on your website that you can edit. From this list, select the specific page you want to modify with Elementor. Once you've found it, click on Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor editor interface, giving you full control over your page design and layout options. Now comes the important part. In the Elementor editor, you need to locate the section or column where you want to adjust the alignment. Hover your mouse over it carefully until you see a blue outline appear around the element. This blue outline confirms you're targeting the correct area. Once it appears, click on the Edit Column icon, which looks like 6 dots arranged in a grid pattern. This opens up all the column editing options you'll need. Next, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. Here you'll find the Layout tab. Click on it to access the layout settings for your column. This tab is where all the alignment magic happens, giving you precise control over how your content is positioned. In the Container Layout section, you'll see 2 primary options to choose from: Grid or Flexbox. Both of these layout types offer different ways to align and organize your content. Grid gives you a more structured approach with rows and columns, while Flexbox provides flexible alignment options that adapt to your content. Select whichever option best suits your design needs and the type of alignment you're trying to achieve. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to use column alignment in Elementor to create better structured, more visually appealing pages. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.